Here we are at BPW North Lakes Women's Empowerment Workshop. Welcome and thank you so much for being here. It is going to be a day of fun, empowerment, learning, insight, and how you can focus on your personal and professional development and be empowered by the amazing speakers that we've got lined up for you. We've got a diverse range of people in this room, and one of the things I think has been beautiful is that we've all been able to just have great conversations around the table. And this is an empowerment workshop, and just the conversations woven in between all the presenters has been quite empowering.
This is my first networking event, so I'm very excited.
So what have you got out of the day so far?
Learn about boundaries, just learn that I can be supported in these environments and that I can learn so much from the other women that are here.
Why else? What made you come to the workshop?
To realise that I'm normal, I have normal thoughts, and what I go through, everybody else goes through, and to pick up something that maybe I can learn from. So open heart, open mind.
I love the learnings that everybody's taking away.
And I am with
Sienna
and
Karis.
Oh, fantastic. How has the day been so far for you?
It's been amazing. It's been so empowering and just listening to all the amazing speakers and really taking in and learning so much.
Awesome. And how about you?
I feel like I've really learned a lot about people's different stories and how to be better in myself and grow and make change.
Every speaker has provided the opportunity of gold nuggets to actually talk about how they've come up in business and how we can actually implement those in our own businesses. So it's great to hear from the speakers.
Take action today. Take action today on your resilience, okay? Do not wait for a crisis to test your ability to cope.
But to have a voice and to have an opinion and to be able to speak out and to speak up when you want to, when you need to, when it's important, is something that we all need to possess.
This will be the base for you to actually learn about yourself so that you can actually set some healthy boundaries without guilt.
If you cover these 7 steps to style, you are going to look and feel your absolute best.
So today I want to help you to see how you can become your own hero of your own story.
If it wasn't for these women, you wouldn't be in this room right now, having such an empowering day. So could you please acknowledge these wonderful women? As you go forward today, share what you've learnt, because that ripple effect really does make a difference. The empowerment that you've gotten from today needs to be shared out there. One of the things I learnt when I was very young was that a leader is someone that has a compass in their head and a magnet in their heart. Please go well. Thank you.